Some important properties of terms of an AP. For any A, B, and C in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C. And this comes from the fact that the common difference is same throughout. So B minus A should be equal to C minus B, simplifying which we get B plus B equals A plus C, or 2B is equal to A plus C. Adding or subtracting a number to or from an AP results in an AP. For example, if you have an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. If you add 1 to each term, we'll get 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. This is still an AP because the common difference is the same. Same thing applies for subtraction. If you multiply or divide each term of an AP by a fixed number, we get a new AP. For example, in the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, if you divide all the terms by 2, we will get 1, 2, 3, and so on, which is an AP. Whenever we need to consider three successive terms of an AP, we should preferably take them as A minus D, A, and A plus D. Similarly, for four terms, we should consider them as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. The reason being it helps in easier calculations.